Hey guys, Casey MacArthur here. We are at one of our projects at Dana Point, and let's show you what we got going on here so far. So you guys, at the beginning of this job here, we ended up adding on to the closet that was in here to give them more space in here. So we pulled this whole wall forward in here to add to, so they still went up with their walk-in closet and coat closet, and it added a linen closet space in here for them. So in this project, we ended up losing the original linen closet, so we needed to figure out a spot to put it, and this is what we came up with. Master bedroom in here, the most work that we did was adding on space to their master bathroom. So in the master bathroom, this area right here went on into a room in the front. We took part of that room and pushed the wall out to make the master closet in here, and we enlarged the space for the walk-in shower. Clawfoot freestanding tub that is going to be going in here. This house had originally cracked in half. So the whole back of this house had slid down about 5 inches. They went and they redid the foundation work on the house. They lifted it up 5 feet. When they did that, the inside of the house tilted down. So we had to cut and level all the floors in here, retie the floors together, and poured about 100 bags of self-level in here to level this area in here. Behind here was a corner fireplace unit. The fireplace unit came out. We built a sunken TV cabinet, and that is an electric fireplace that's going underneath it. So this whole area right here has been corrected, floors leveled and filled, and now it's flat from the front of the house to the back of the house. This self-leveler in here, because the floors were so bad and we had to pour so much in here, we had to do it in stages to make sure that it still ended up getting flat. We go back and we pour water on it to see low spots and high spots. We look down on the floor here, you'll see these circles in here. These circles here are high spots that we need to get ground down about 1/16 of an inch, and we can go back through and make sure they're all flat. The flooring that's going in here is SPC flooring. It's a very thin floor. This is a vinyl plank floor that goes in here. You can see how thin this is, and it has a rubber backing on it. This rubber backing helps for you to be able to stand on it and gives it a little bit of just a little bit of softness when you stand down on it. But as you can see when you lay the tiles down, they're so thin that they will take the contour of whatever the floor is. So we try to get the floors absolutely as flat as we could possibly. So this next week here on Monday, this flooring goes down throughout the entire house. Once this flooring is down through the kitchen area here, the new boxes will be coming in for the cabinets. We will do all the lowers, will all get put in place, all in the kitchen and the bathrooms. Then while they take the templates for the countertops, it takes about 2 weeks to get the countertops in. As soon as they come in, we'll be doing the upper cabinets, and finished paint goes in right afterwards. So we're 3 weeks out of this kitchen being completed. So this is Casey MacArthur with Bay Cities Construction, just reminding you, you don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros.